Hello, Mama Akwaba. Ewo, Gilbert Oji, I preacher. Me say, me the announcement be there, bro. On 25th of this month, that is Sunday we are. Minimum brother Job, our SDA. You be a debate about must we observe the Sabbath as Christians? Sabbath homeda die etwa sɛ yɛyɛ Kristofo yɛgu so edi anaa sɛnea Bible no ɛfa bi ɛka no ɛho ɛna ɛbɛboobo ho yɛtena ase apɛnsɛmpɛnsɛm Bible mu yɛhwehwɛ Bible mu yɛdɔ mu asukɔ ahwɛ de Bible no ɛka ɔbɛkyerɛ ne part na makyerɛ me part na mahwɛ wopɛ sɛ wohwɛ bi a kɔ YouTube na bɔ Gilbert OJ I Preacher na subscribe bɔ bell icon no so TikTok so a bɔ Gilbert OJ I Preacher na follow yɛ Facebook Gilbert OJ I Preacher na follow yɛn debate benya bi ahwɛ.
Hello, Nyankopon Enhyira. Edin no ɛyɛ Gilbert OJ I Preacher. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Yɛn no besua Nyankopon asɛm. Ɛfa yɛduru so yi ɛyɛ the Sabbath day and observing the Sabbath day. That is Sabbath day observance. Ɔmo a ɔmo kɔ asɔre Saturday na yɛn no ɔmo sua adeɛ sɛ Sabbath day ɛni hɔ ma yɛn na Kristofo nnɛ. Wa akɔ asɔre Sunday so yɛde adesua yi brɛ sɛ sua sɛnea besi akyerɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo sɛ yɛnkɔ so di Sabbath day a na wo a wo so wo se da wogyi tum sɛ ɛyɛ Sunday anaasɛ wo a wo se da yɛhia Sabbath day no adesua ne boa bɛboa ne sɛ ɛbɛhyɛ wo gyidie kena ama wakɔ so agye deɛ wo kuram no adi yie na ɛnɛ yɛduru ɛfa a mede quotation bi egya wo ɛwɔ episode 3 mu enti wo hwɛ ya kɔ episode 1 the Sabbath day Gilbert OJ I Preacher obohyɛ mu abenya ana channel no so a wohwɛ me no go back na scroll videos no obehu sɛ me wɔ part 1 part 2 no part 3 sese yɛduru part 4 of the Sabbath day enti kɔ na kɔ previous one no yɛakyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma mu fɛfɛɛfɛ mintim ensan nkɔ machi biem esan sɛ ɛyɛ in series ɛfa yɛduru so yi ɛyɛ Colossians amidi gya wo a wo follow yɛ in series no sɛ kɔyɛ homework kɔda ɛdwen ho na ti asɛm a Colossians ɛbɛka akyerɛ wo ɛnɛ ye reason yankasa dey for this episode no ɛnyɛ Colossians no nanso ɛyɛ nsɛm bi ɔmo ka sɛ Sabbath day no yɛwɔ Paul yɛwɔ Jesus Christ ana asomafoɔ no sɛ ɔmo kɔ observe yɛ na sɛ ɔmo a observe a adan na yɛ na yɛaba akyire ne sɛ yɛnyɛ yɛbɛhwɛ those quotations nim sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ Yesu di Sabbath ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ Paul di Sabbath ana any other apostle bi di Sabbath ɛno na me no ɛbɛhwɛ Colossians chapter 2 verse 14 na mede ma wo sɛ read kɔyɛ homework na Colossians chapter 2 legalism not legalism but Christ wɔn enti who read Colossians 2 na ne context ano no but yɛmfa from 14 ɛhɔ ɛna adesua no ɛwɔ having wiped out the handwriting of requirement that was against us which was contrary to us requirement anaasɛ handwriting of requirement a ɔka no the 10 commandments handwriting the 10 commandments any other 603 laws na Israel for kuram saa mmara na Israel for kuram no against us adentia Israel for no ɔmo na omumu no yɛwɔ som bi afɛ Judaism amaman aka enka ho nti sɛ yɛba sɛ yɛabɛgye Kristo som atum a na egusu kura ɔmo mmara ni mu a ɛne yɛn ɛbɛko mmara ni pii wɔ hɔ ɛne yɛn bɛko that is why nti a ɔsɛ say wipe those handwriting no from us which was contrary to us and he has taken it out of the way so the way ben Jesus Christ is the way so Christ has taken it from himself nti Kristo som a yɛsom no Kristo a yɛnam so no enka the ways no ho which is Sabbath ka ho eti ewom so ɔka the whole Judaism handwriting requirements and the whole Judaism som no ho nhyehyɛ ne mmara na mu yɛ de yesu yɛ Sabbath nti Sabbath hyɛ bi tell you say Sabbath nka ho enka Kristo som ɛho any all the 10 commandments also having disarmed principalities and powers he made a public spectacle of them transferring over them in it and I make you say Die Kristo san kan wona no e wa asennua nso say it is finished. Dwuma obedi ye no wawie. Abre ben na owie, abre obo asennua no so a owuye. A osan sole ye chese the new covenant bi eba eno ni Kristo som. Old one no ho hyehye ne mrabu a ukura ni ho a yehia ana eka ho e wo Kristo som mu. Enti uka na okoka bone nyewe eno no nyewe ne nye mra a ye de som na mo ye de wo som na menye eno no Kristo som ebi wo. Enti te asesa verse 16 enti obebobọ so ade a oka ho asempa ne de ade. Paul say, let no one judge you with food. Jewfo wo aduane omudi na wo aduane a wonni. Enti ebia Kristofo no nnuane a ye di a ye Gentiles no ye di Jewfo mra no so a e wo Kristosu mu a ene ye mbeko ade nti a na ma Jewfo nwe no ye Gentiles no ye we ebia against us, therefore enti mi nso nyame ana enye no kweda. Enti na Paul ka say eye say yete ase say sa ne mani nyina wa wipe away food eka a eye alcohol. And I say drink a secular, that is nyamesoma no mo som na that time na woti nom other similar wine na similar drinks and Old Testament in English, you know, or can we need King James drink and wine enye grapes ye ni bi na mum ebo ba Kristo sumu no ye njintum ene de wonnom ne ade no ye ntimi mfa no ma Kristo sumu no ye njintum. Or regarding a festival omo festival omo afasha ye di no omo di no ye Gentiles ye nibi nti ye ba Kristo sum ye medi bia na o si da bi emo bi anfa ne festival metataw say Old Testament and your friends and Old Covenant and Judaism na we say Bible mu na we say we di Pentecost day we di Sabbath day we di sa festivals ni nyina na Jewfo no edi no wutimi mfa mehama dwen as a Christian. Why? Paul said, let no one judge you. If we say, well, why pay all those things away? Or new moon, or Sabbath, Sabbathon, Sabbato. We know we share any P. Oh, episode 3 nim. Yes, and I'm person can chiro. So Sabbath so telling you say what categorize all the Sabbath. Almost say there be all the Sabbath now we categorize all the assassin. The way 10 commandments moon count. Bra, wabon. Bible no on can be bisa. Sabbath ni nyina plural mo bi amfa mu aten ntuti me mu aten se me nko heaven why adenti a ni Sabbath. Paul say masa mo bi amfa jejew mo bia emfa jejew na na shadow of things a eye things ana substance a Christ dey brain what him say nti ne Kristo som aba o expect say da yemfa sori no yemfa kai no yemfa nyane som bi o de agu akwan mu no eye Sunday me no eba be hwedi nti a yesom Sunday. Afi yenko quotations no eso Luke 4 verse 16 omusi Yesu ko ayi Sabbath Sunday nim Sabbath day omudi Sabbath no e was synagogue na Yesu Kristo ko ho. Luke 4:16 and he came to Nazareth where he had been brought up, and as was his custom he went to the synagogue on the Sabbath day and he stood up to read. So historical context, Jesus was born Jesus Christo na osan live under the old covenant. Ti Galatians 4 verse 4 asem okan claim and Paul ye no ono so bi Galatians 4 verse 4 ti. But when the fullness of time had come, God sent forth his son, born of a woman, born under the law. Nti ye wo ne mlanase ade nti na ye wo Jesus Christo wo mlanase. Ti verse 5 to redeem those who were under the law. Ya ye 10 commandments as ya ye Jewfo mra mu no. Lokura meka ya ye meka hu. Jewfo na no mu hyem no. Ene ye na etia ye no. Ye that we use for through them to redeem, to save them from the law. Who could you be free prison? One would prison more better could you be. Prison break. One go prison more better could you be. What is that moving now? Or could you be man or pretending my channel? And of plans are washing you or fast needing any free prison. Christ the Bajian, why shouldn't we do for more better job? Instead of Paul say, or could you for one way and say Juni, or could Gentile for one way and say Gentile, or probably soon for one way and say Abosun for why? To redeem the people there through the word. One man more better kasa achiromo. Now if you say that we might receive the adoption as sons. Do a son of Christ. How? Ọba law no to redeem us. Nti ọkọ asondan wo biko na custom. Saa na ese oye. Kwa na ye wo no. Nti ese ofa saa kwa no so na oji me no mienu efri Christosum emu. Nti principle no nyina say ọkọ read the book of Isaiah 17 to 21. O read we ye no e na ọka say nipa na mo twen no Messiah no ono na ogina mo animi. Ade na muguzo observe Sabbath. So what they say mean Sabbath no. Christian ni Sabbath. That then also call observe. We are Christian follower or like Christ. And then a Christ bit my Christian. Ye the Christ that you obey a Christian. He is the Sabbath. Obey the Sabbath so. You have heard our quotation no. And the quotation way loosed or fail argument Emma Sabbath for no. Acts 17 verse 2 say, and Paul went in as was his custom. Well, into Paul Jesus then was the same. Paul also say, no, and a custom. And on 3 Sabbath days he reasoned with them from the scriptures. One can say or observe Sabbath too. One can say or observe Sabbath. No more reason or no more and bye ewo nkyerɛkyerɛ ho ana ewo Nyankopɔn asɛm no ho. Enti Paul ankodi Sabbath na mu okɔ ne mu kosua ade. Na say and he reasoned in the synagogue every Sabbath and tried to persuade Jews and Greeks. Greeks near Jew for abra Israel for no wokwa ahohia ma na say wo bedi omo so ye nkoa no omo a yesi so omo slaves no omo kwotena Greek for man num no omo timba back ene omo be den e be di Sabbath no. So some people no opese onje omo nyina mfiri sa asom nim nti okwa obi a no ne omo nya ntokwa wa read that book no. When we read Acts book no chapter 17, you read in context or in context, you will see say Paul at the end no na wope wo cheno sinabo kora to need to get na jiwo baabi. At then na wa be chere nsem a ene yen yasem ne nko. Enti wan ko so ko di Sabbath na mu ko so ko preach Christ to them. What you say? O ko nti say na ko abosunsun fia na yekọ nkurase a abosun wo omusun abosunsun ko preach kire omo no. Kire say yakoduro that day now omusum bosum tie kosum bi. Dabi. This argument doesn't make omo mushiwi na asofo yakọ omu say yeko preach omo eche say so yewura gato yekochiwi. To awura wa the purpose won say okochire omo scriptures. Acts 13:14 to 15, Acts 42 to 44 support say Gentiles no beg to hear more the next Sabbath. Not because Paul taught Sabbath keeping, but because that when the Jews gathered no ena obetima chere omu Jew na kwanya omunya abro omunya ho de hia pii no eye Sabbath day nti omra no san be chere omu enye so oba be di Sabbath o be chere omu na asem no kan ye no yie what am I say enti Paul ankodi Sabbath yo mu kan bia enye nokore ewo baabi bia enti na Paul Corinthians chapter 1 verse 13 say, for you have heard of my former conduct in Judaism, how I persecuted the church of God beyond measure and tried to destroy them. You know a Jew ni tina wonim no wonim mmra no nti e say o hyeda ye den ekọ omumu se ne ye ne custom che say ne Jewfo no duma mu di no nti Paul kokọ ne say oko preach who read the Bible ni also oko preach now not to observe with them do be so nya in contest or say omoka kire ne say ukọ no some brad the next Sabbath day na brabe kan ye ho obi say na if the Old Testament ni nyina those quotations ni bia is fallacy. 4 verse 9 to 10. But now that you have come to know God, how can you turn back? Galatians 4 verse 9 to 10. Galatians. But now that you have come to know God, how can you turn back again the weak and worthless elementary principles of the world? You observe days and months and seasons and years. The Paul criticizes the observation of the Sabbath. You observe days, Sabbath day, and observance. Christian, you don't observe Sunday. We go to church on Sunday to practice things be Lord's Supper, praying, teaching, doing sermon. We are not observing the day because we will do work. But Sabbath day, you know, your rules or and yes, and so naturally some account. And you observe the day, but Paul say we shouldn't observe day because about a more komachi or catch the Jew for no. Make sure you episode 5. Edini Gebet OJ I preacher kɔ so na hwɛ me subscribe share na leave comments number no gu screen ase fa so wɔ question a wo debate so a ma yɛ ready medin no na me bɔ kyerɛ no me wɔ Church of Christ. God bless you. Good